napaka-popular na ng video games. Siguro mga 10 taon na nalalampasan niya ang kita sa sine.
A 16-year-old gamer from the US, he's known as Booga, has won $3 million. You heard that right. After being crowned the Fortnite World Champion in New York.
In 2019 alone, the mobile gaming industry had a global revenue of 49 billion. Hindi yan milyon, ha? Billion. Sa Pilipinas naman ay $459 million ang kinikita nito bawat taon. Itong taon na 2.1 billion ang mobile gamers sa buong mundo. Sa Pilipinas naman ay 24.5 million mobile gamers. Sa palagay ko, padagdag na lang